Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make today such beautiful and warm mittens.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
And I have here a yarn of Nako spaghetti, scissors, hook number 4. And let's start. We need to make a slip knot and the chain of slip stitches. The quantity of slip stitches depends on the desired length of the mittens you want. Let's try it on, and here I see that it's not enough for me. I would like to have longer mittens. And of course you can make it shorter if you want. I made 25 slip stitches. First row all single crochets.
You know just what you do.
Continue till the end of the row.
Like my emotions, like a pair of puppets.
Slip stitch and turn around.
Please go easy on me, babe.
Here we continue crocheting by the back side of our loop.
You hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, it makes it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days
And we can see the design already.
Valley, I hope it's losing its hold.
Continue in the same way till the end of the row.
Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't
Repeat all the same for the next rows.
I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
Altogether I made 25 rows. The quantity of rows depends on the width of mittens you would like to have.
Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh,
And
oh,
here we
you
start to close our crochet.
chasing
Using slip
waterfalls.
stitches, connect the two sides of
You
our mittens.
got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and
And let's
love.
try it on.
Good morning, sun.
And what I can see here,
Good morning, sun.
I see that I need more additional space for my big finger, and I don't wanna add additional space for the other side of the mitten.
Gee, it's great to be.
So we need to make the next. We will add 10 additional slip stitches from one side and 10 additional slip stitches from the other side, and then we turn back to our closing. let's try it on again. And I think it's perfect. If you wanna add some more space, you need to add one row, and your finger will be more closed. Let's continue our crocheting and our connection. But first of all, we need to return our thread.
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.